Hi Aisha, I hope you're good. It's Coco's mom. I'm aware that you have opened a GoFundMe account for Coco's family. We really appreciate, and I would like to express gratitude to the people from different countries. They have been so supportive, giving us love, and with the texts that they are sending and the calls that we are receiving, they keep us moving because it's not easy. It's not easy at all. I won't lie, we are trained, we are exhausted, but we know that with the book of Psalms 46, verse 10, it says, "Be still and know that I'm God." So those are the words that keeps us moving and have faith that at the end of the day, we'll see the light. There will be a light when time is right, but there will be a light. I thank you so much, Aisha, and I really appreciate to all the people. It's not easy, but it's okay. It's okay. And with Ukwekwe, she's pushing. She's a strong young girl and a smart girl. She's doing well. She's on and off. Physically, she's not fully recovered, but she is pushing. I won't lie. She's good. She's a brave girl. I thank you so much. I would like to thank everyone. I've got no enough words to express how I feel right now, but thank you so much, my brother.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosas Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. This was Kuku's mom giving us updates about Ukwekwe ever since Simashile guys is sign ama-petition sisenda konke for the young Qoqwe to get justice ngemva kokuthi adlengulile lapha esikoleni sakhe eBergview College last day October. Indzaba yakhona yaduma kakhulu last month. Is it last month or this month? No guys, this month samasha senda konke, but it seems like icase yakhe it's becoming a very cold. Iyafana nje necase yasenzo Meyiwa. So her mom was basically giving us updates here how Qoqwe is doing nako konke kuyasho nje futhi kokuthi uyabonga kakhulu for abantu kokuthi bamthwale bamsingathe. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out, so goodbye.